Imagine having a digital assistant that automatically sorts every file you create or download. No more messy desktops, no more lost documents. This workflow researches 50 side hustle ideas while you sleep. Here's the exact setup.
By the end of this video, you'll have an AI agent that fixes your bugs automatically. Before, you'd spend hours manually organizing files, dragging and dropping, renaming, and searching. With AI, this entire process can be automated, taking minutes to set up and running silently in the background.
We're going to build a self-sorting system that categorizes your documents, images, and other files without you lifting a finger. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about reclaiming valuable time and boosting your productivity.
Our first tool is Dify. It's an open-source platform designed for building and operating AI agents and workflows. Think of it as your command center for creating intelligent assistants.
Dify excels at agent orchestration, allowing you to design complex AI behaviors. It offers a powerful workflow builder and robust prompt engineering capabilities, which are crucial for defining how your AI agent understands and sorts files.
This tool is best for developers and power users who want to build custom AI applications. Its freemium model makes it accessible to experiment with before committing to a paid plan. A key advantage of Dify is its focus on agent-centric design, which means you can create highly specialized AI functions.
Next up, we have N8N. This is a low-code automation platform that connects hundreds of apps and automates workflows visually. It's incredibly versatile and will be the backbone of our file sorting system.
N8N features a visual workflow builder, making it easy to drag and drop connectors for over 200 different integrations. This means it can connect to almost any cloud storage, email client, or local folder you use.
It's also self-hostable, giving you complete control over your data. N8N is best for anyone needing powerful, flexible automation across many services, whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out. It also offers a freemium pricing structure.
My take on N8N, it's the one to beat for complex integrations. While Dify builds the brain of our AI, N8N provides the hands and feet to connect it to the real world. Many automation tools are rigid, but N8N's flexibility is unmatched, especially for custom file paths and conditions.
Let's dive into the steps to build this self-sorting system. Step 1. Set up your automation platform. We'll start by configuring N8N, as it will handle the connections and triggers for our files.
First, you'll need to install N8N or sign up for their cloud service. Once logged in, create a new workflow. The first node in your workflow will be a watch folder or the webhook node, depending on whether you're monitoring a local folder or a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox.
Step 2. Define file sorting rules with AI. This is where Dify comes in. You'll create an AI agent in Dify, giving it specific instructions on how to categorize files. For example, if a file contains keywords like invoice or receipt, move it to the financial documents folder.
You can train your Dify agent with examples of your existing files for better accuracy. Once your agent is defined, Dify will provide an API endpoint. You'll integrate this API into your N8N workflow as an HTTP request node.
When N8N detects a new file, it will send the file's metadata, or even its content, to your Dify agent for classification. The Dify agent then returns the suggested category.
Step 3. Connect your storage and run. Back in N8N, after the Dify classification, you'll add a move file node or upload file node. This node will use the category returned by Dify to move the file to the correct, predefined folder.
You can set up conditional logic in N8N to handle different file types or categories. For example, if Dify classifies a file as images, N8N moves it to your Photos folder. If it's reports, it goes to Work Documents.
Activate your N8N workflow, and your self-sorting AI system is live. This setup transforms a tedious manual chore into a seamless, automated process. Before, you might have spent an hour every week just on file management. Now, that time is yours.
This system is a game changer for solopreneurs, students, and anyone overwhelmed by digital clutter. It's a practical, monetization-friendly approach to leveraging AI for real-world problems.
For overall power and flexibility, N8N is my top recommendation. For robust AI agent building, Dify stands out. And if you're just starting, N8N's visual interface makes it incredibly beginner-friendly.
Let's get even more hands-on with Dify. To start, navigate to Dify's platform and create a new application. Select Agent as the application type. This sets up the core for our intelligent file sorter.
Next, you'll need to define your agent's capabilities. Go to the agent settings and under Tools, add a custom tool. This tool won't execute external actions directly but will define the output format Dify should use for file classification. For example, you might define a tool that takes file content and returns a JSON object with a category key.
Then, craft your prompt orchestration. This is where you instruct the AI on how to classify files. Start with a clear system prompt like, "You are a file classification AI." Your goal is to accurately categorize files based on their content and metadata.
Follow this with a user prompt that provides context and asks for classification, such as, "Analyze the following file content and suggest the most appropriate category." Return only the category name, like invoice, report, or image. Here's the content, insert file content placeholder, dot.
Crucially, under model configuration, select a powerful large language model that can handle nuanced text analysis, such as GPT-4 or Claude 3. This ensures accurate classification even for complex documents. Once configured, Dify will provide an API endpoint for this agent, which we'll use in N8N.
Now, let's dive deeper into N8N's setup. After creating your new workflow, drag and drop an HTTP requests node onto the canvas. This node will be responsible for sending the file information to your Dify agent.
Configure the HTTP request node, set the method to post and paste the Dify agent's API endpoint into the URL field. In the body section, you'll construct the JSON payload that your Dify agent expects. This will typically include the file's name and its content.
For example, you might use an expression like inputs, file_content, $node, read binary file, .json, data, .toString, @fate, to send the file's text content to Dify. The read binary file node would precede this to extract the content.
After the HTTP request node, add a switch node. This is vital for routing files based on Dify's classification. In the switch node, you'll define conditions. For instance, if Dify's response, e.g., $JSON answer equals invoice, then branch to path 1.
For each branch of the switched node, add a move file or upload file node. Configure each of these nodes to move the file to a specific, predefined folder based on the category. For example, that invoice branch would lead to a move file node targeting your financial documents folder. This granular control makes N8N incredibly powerful.
Dify isn't just for file sorting. Imagine a customer support agent built with Dify that can understand complex queries, fetch information from your knowledge base, and even draft personalized email responses. Or a Dify-powered content creation agent that generates blog post outlines based on trending topics, ensuring your content is always fresh and relevant.
For N8N, consider a small e-commerce business. Every time a new order comes in, N8N can automatically update your inventory in a spreadsheet, send a shipping notification to the customer, and add their email to your marketing list. Another use case, a freelance designer could use N8N to automatically back up their project files to cloud storage daily and notify clients when a new design draft is ready for review.
Stop manually sorting files, let AI build a system that does it for you, saving hours every week. Try setting up this workflow and see the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns of AI tools and productivity hacks.